Hello, today we want to present you this house in Coronado that we just listed. This house is 4 bedrooms.
And it's located inside of the community of Quivira. As you can see, we have a stunning view of the ocean. Also, you can see the golf course from here. And what I love about this property is we have a lot of outdoor space, this huge pool, you have the jacuzzi, and my favorite part is the barbecue.
Come see it with us. One of my favorite parts about this property is the location. Quivira is located just 15 minutes from Cabos and Lucas. There's walking trails, there's golf, and the beach is very close by.
Yes, and a lot of restaurants are around also. But you know what? I love this property because it's very spacious. So you can invite all your friends and family and spend Thanksgiving and Christmas here. And this countertop is huge. So you can, enjoy with everybody like we are right now.
This is one of the upgrades the house has, along with others. It's listed for $3.5 million, so if you want more information, make sure to contact us. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you really enjoyed it.
If you're looking to buy or sell in La Baja, please make sure to contact us. We'll be very happy to assist you.
Here's our contact information down below, and make sure to watch all our other videos.